Hello, good people. Welcome to Digital Insights once more. Your presenter is Vincent, and today we are going to learn about how to remove image backgrounds and be able to do away with that. So, welcome. I hope this video will be much more important to you, and I hope at the end of the session you will be able to learn something. So let us start and see what we can do with PowerPoint. PowerPoint is a very powerful tool, and for most of us, we don't know. But as we go along, as we move, as we try as much as possible to look into what we can be able to use or how we can be able to use PowerPoint, then we'll be able to learn much more. So let us dig in. Most of us, we do use different tools to be able to remove the image's background, either solid or the ones that are not much solid. We want to do away with them because for a designer, you want your images to be able to take the background of your design. So you need not to, you don't want your image to be able to retain the previous background it had. So let's look at or let's have a look at it on how we can be able to go about it. Number one, so step one, we're going to insert images. So ensure you save some images on your PC, or you have saved already, you have some images on your PC. Let's insert. So our images are inserted. So let's see, just a little bit. Go, let's adjust this. All right. All right. Right. There we go. So let's see the disadvantages of using the image background on a slide presentation just the way it is. Let's say we add the background color of our slide. Let's have the background color of our slide. So let us have that. So you see, it will depict, it will show you, or it will tell you that the image background still exists. So we want the image itself just to have the background color. So we want to do away with that. We want to do away with the background color of the image, the existing background, the original background of the image. So for us to be able to do that, you click on the image, double click on it. Then the format tool will be enabled to you. Then you click on remove background. So let's do away with the background. So to do away with the background, the highlighted areas or the areas that are not grayed are the areas that will be retained. But we want to retain the image, the image itself, so that we get the full image. We don't want the background color. We do away with it. So for us to be able to do, we mark the areas to keep. So let's mark the areas to keep. There we go. There we go. Let's mark the areas that we want to keep. Oh, I love the watch. So I love to keep that. So let's see. Let's see. There we go. Now the areas that we want has already been marked. So we keep the changes. Oh, you can see at the top here, there is background that is left. So how do we do away with that? We come back, let the image be highlighted. Let's keep that. Then let's mark the areas that we don't want. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Then we keep. Nice. It looks nice. Now that our image has picked the background color of the slide. How does it look? It looks amazing. So if you want to save this image, so you can save the image itself. So what you do, you right click and click on save. When you click on save, it will give you different formats on where you can be able to save your image. Save it, choose the format that you want and save. Once that is done, you can use it for future reference, for your website designing, for any kind of designing that you want to do. So let's remove the background of the second image. There we go. We use our tool again. We highlight that, highlight that, highlight that, highlight that, highlight that. There we go. So we keep that. We keep that. So let's say keep. Wow. So we have removed the background. How does it look? It looks amazing. Right. So if we wanna, if by any chance we want to add some text, let's say men and women collection. There we go. We make it bold. Then price affordable. Or affordable prices. How does it look? Bring this one a little bit lower. Change the font size. Make it around 20, 18. Italize it. Change the font. There we go. And we can add some text still. Buy, let's say buy one or buy two and get free watch or handbag. Change this font much smaller, and we can change the color. There we go. So we are done with our presentation. How does it look? It looks amazing. So let's see how our presentation will look like. There we go. Wow. Wow. So guys, that's how to remove the background of an image. And thank you so much for joining. Please subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and see you in the next session. Bye.